Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once the content that you wish to capture is visible for you, all you will need to do is just press the power button and volume down at the same time. You get the sound, we'll go to pop-up right here with share and scroll options, and this will disappear on its own in a moment. There we go. So let's say you capture a screenshot, and one of those options, the scroll one, was looking normally here, but if you try to interact with it, there's nothing to scroll down on, so it wouldn't really work. But in the settings, let's do that again. Just checking something out. You can also do a 3-finger gesture right here. So as you can see, I try to swipe and it gives me this. Record whatever you want. Wait, this isn't a... This is something else. Okay, so never mind. We don't have a 3-finger screenshot. We have some other crap. So I'm going to click right here, and now I can click on scroll. And it will automatically start scrolling on its own. I can click on the display to stop it from doing so. I can do it myself and click on done, and this automatically saves that image. Now once this image gets saved, or any other screenshot, you can navigate into your gallery application or photos, whichever one you prefer. I prefer gallery myself, so that's what I'm going to open. And normally you'll find your screenshots, screen recordings, and literally everything else that is on your phone in terms of photos, videos, in the Photos tab. As you can see, my screen recording and 2 screenshots. There's nothing else on this device, that's why this looks a little bit empty. So right now, it's super easy to find whatever I would be looking for. But later on, once you fill up your device with memes and other media forms right here, you can navigate to albums. And in here, you'll find album called screenshots. In here, you can find screenshots and screen recordings, but it's still much simpler to locate whatever screenshot you'd be looking for, where you only have 2 different types of content in here. And you can see here is the scrollable screenshot. That's why we have black bars, because if I fill the entire screen with it, you can see it's now scrollable. And the other one is just the normal home screen. So there we go. Those are the 2 screenshots I have captured on the video. So I do want to point out one more thing, which I won't be able to showcase right here as I don't have an application that would be affected by this, but there are some applications that can block screenshots and screen recordings. Some of these applications which you might have on your device would be things like Spotify or Netflix, or basically any other streaming platform that requires a subscription. These all block this. Now the feature itself on Android is designed for privacy and security of the user. If you're right now scratching your head how the shit is, for instance, blocking a screenshot on my phone of something like Netflix for my privacy and security, you'd be probably correct to be scratching your head for that. Because to be truthful, it's not done for your privacy and security. It's done for the privacy and security of the corporate cunt that basically owns Netflix or Spotify, so he can buy himself another Aston Martin. Because God forbid you would be able to pirate their content, even though something like Spotify literally came to existence from piracy. Ooh, but God forbid another website exists that basically scrapes our database and allows people access to it. No, that's not allowed. We are the only one that can pirate content and then monetize it. So because I'm, as you can probably tell, not a big fan of this kind of bullshit, what I can tell you is, for instance, for Spotify, you could use something like Revanced or Metrolist, I think it is. Everything you can find on GitHub, to be honest. Let me quickly check. I'm using Metrolist, right? Yep. So Metrolist, this is basically using YouTube Music as its own application. It's pulling the info from YouTube Music and allows you to listen to it like Spotify or YouTube Music would. And it's a great alternative. Now for things like, for instance, Netflix that blocks your screenshots ability or other things, just because I never gave them the permission to, or they never asked for it, and I never agreed to terms of service or use because I don't own an account, I can just give you other alternatives that don't do that, which one is already open right here, which is pstream.mov. And here you can see we have just a pretty good layout right here, and you can choose between movies, TV shows. Hello. That's odd. Let's try that again. Okay, it used to work great. Okay, so seems like it's malfunctioning on the video a little bit. So alternatively, there are other options. Oh, probably would help if I actually was connected to network. Maybe that's what's malfunctioning. So this is basically alternative to this. Though as you've seen, this tries to open up ads when you sometimes interact with it, so a little bit annoying. But again, same thing as the other one. Both of them work. There we go. Great. So I'd recommend as an alternative that is completely free and that doesn't give you any kind of restrictions on what you can do on your own device that you paid full price for. So anyway, hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.